Yu-Gi-Oh! Guy JW here. I bought Cyberdark Impact. I'm just trying to see if I can get anything good. So, open it away from the camera. It's like, I think you guys look at my fake kiss action figures. Let's see if it's open. Here we go. Hold on a second, guys. We got the rare Black Horn of Heaven, Queen's Bodyguard, Dark Lucas level 4. Oops. Barry Statue of the Abyss, Accumulated Fortune, Counter Cleaner, stupid card, stop doing it, Sweet Scent, ooh, Ultimate Dark Lucas level 6, that's pretty good. Everything in here's for trade though, and change strike. Everything in here is for trade, especially this cool Dark Lucas. That's my second one today. Well, not today, but in my trades. I will only use one in my trades. And once that one's gone, I'll put the other one in. But 2 Dark Lucas level 6 is ultimate. I'll just comment, rate, subscribe, add me as a friend. Just don't subscribe to this channel, subscribe to Josh Animal 52. That's my other channel, but see ya.